AVSnap provides many tools to align objects together. The aligned object can be referenced to a locked object or the origin symbol. Create a rectangle on the project page and duplicate it 4 times. Fill each rectangle with a different color. You can copy and paste the same rectangle several times, or you can right-click the rectangle to utilize the repeat function. Move the rectangles so that they are not aligned together. Select all rectangles on the page. Press the toolbar Align Center button to align them vertically on the center line and follow with the Distribute Horizontally button. If you want to align other objects to a specific object, then make sure that the reference object is locked by selecting the object and using shortcut U to lock the object where it's positioned. In addition, objects can be aligned to the page origin. Position the page origin using the Ctrl and Space shortcut to move the origin to where the mouse pointer is located, and make sure that the origin is part of the selection before aligning objects.